A community in Edo State have given Fulani herdsmen 14 days ultimatum to leave their community. Following the incessant killings and harassment of indigenes and residents of Ohewon local government area of Edo State by some alleged Fulani herdsmen, the council chairman, Honorable Sylvester Okoro, has ordered herdsmen to vacate the area within the next 14 days. Honorable Okoro gave the directive in Ugo local government during an emergency meeting called to address the recent kidnappings, killing, and destruction of farm produce in the area. According to the statement from the Chief Press Secretary to the Council, Mr. Roy Osareme, the 14-day ultimatum is coming on the heels of the recent attack on the indigenes of the area. Ohewon is a pure agrarian area, since we cannot identify those perpetrating the evil activities. After the evacuation, we will carry out proper documentation of those who wish to graze in our land. I can no longer stomach the atrocities and satanic activities of these murderers and thieves. We have been living together for many years peacefully. Since they have decided to turn our hospitable act to weaknesses, they should look for somewhere else to rear their animals. Mr. Obawanye and Mr. Mike Igage, who spoke on behalf of the affected indigenes, applauded the decision of the LGA boss. We appreciated our council chairman's effort so far in making sure the issues between the herdsmen and their host communities are settled amicably, but all to no avail due to their hidden agenda to continue their atrocities in our land. We are very pleased with today's decision. He had on several occasions tried to settle this matter, but these Fulani people still kept perpetrating their evils. We can now sleep with our two eyes closed. Our mothers and sisters cannot go to the farm without fear of being raped. Our farm produce will no longer be used to feed cows. Those present at the meeting were security heads in charge of the local government, local vigilantes, community heads, youth, and elders of the affected community. That is the news reaching us from Edo State. The community, the Ohewon Area Council, the chairman have suspended the Fulani herdsmen, and this is not the first group that have given the Fulani 14 days ultimatum to leave their place. Remember, a community earlier in a community in Delta State where the herdsmen that were aided by men of the security force attack and kill so many people have also issued a 14-day ultimatum to the Fulani herdsmen to vacate and leave their area, since it's as if they don't want peace and they cannot live peacefully with their host community. They have been ordered to leave the community by this Owedo community. And not just that, recall in Benue State also, the youth over there have given the Fulani herdsmen 14 days ultimatum to leave their place in order to curb and to curtail the incessant killing and unwanted destruction of their farm produce by these Fulani herdsmen. And this shows the lack of effort that is being made by the community, by the men of security agency and the federal government that is in charge of all these things, that have been paying lip service and deaf ear to the cry and to the plea of the people that are pleading for the government to come to their aid, to send security operative. But it's as if the latest trend now is the security operative aiding and helping these Fulani herdsmen to carry out their activities and their atrocities. It's as if they are state-sponsored. And that's why community now are taking laws into their hands by giving these people ultimatum to leave their place, that they don't want them anymore. It just showed the level which our security is and how bad things are in this part of the world. And it's so painful and it's so shameful that we have a government that cannot be trusted, many of the security forces that cannot be trusted, and now community have been forced to take law into their hands. I believe this will not result to war or crisis that will go out of hand, just like the Boko Haram terrorist group that have gone out of hand. Don't forget, you can also share your thoughts and your opinion with us by doing that at the comment section. Keeping informed with our Awares Network.